Hello everyone, my name is Sammy and welcome. Now, if you couldn't tell from today's title, or like if you didn't read anything and you just blindly clicked, hi, welcome. Now, I'm super excited, I'm sorry. Okay, so if you don't know anything about me, I love Pokemon. I'm wearing a Shaman shirt now, it even has Shaman on it. I am a huge fan of Pokemon. Now, of course, Japan, they get all of the cool Pokemon stuff and just all the neat things. And of course, they get Japanese exclusive Pokemon merch. And I recently found it. I realized that pretty much anything is on eBay. Now, one of their newest collections is the Pokemon Grassy Garden collection. Or gardening, I'm sorry, gardens. No, gardens, okay. There's a tag over here. I'm sure you could, again, if you haven't read the title, figure out where this is going. So, I had to purchase some of these items because they featured Shaman. Shaman is my favorite Pokemon. Again, if you haven't figured that out, no worries. Shaman is my favorite Pokemon, so of course I had to get a couple items from this collection. Now, I could not afford, like, the entire collection. There's no way. But I definitely could afford a couple of items. So the first thing I'm going to show you, I guess, is, we'll just go with this. The first thing I got was this cookie tin, and look at the picture on it, and right there is Shaman. Me and my boyfriend have eaten a couple of the cookies. I haven't tried all the flavors yet, so we'll see, but there's Shaman, oh my goodness. Yes, this is the first thing I bought because I liked the tin, and I figured, honestly, I could just use the tin to put stuff in after all the cookies are gone. Okay, the second to last thing, because I did buy 3 things. Alright, the second to last thing is this book. And there's Shaman. I wanted to, like, show you the cover. It's pretty much nothing too fancy. I mean, I bought it because of the cover. This is what the back looks like. It just has the logo. It's literally just a book of blank pages. So you could, I guess, sketch something or take notes or something like that. I don't know if I will ever write in this, but it will look amazing. It also obviously has other Pokemon, but like I said, Shaman is my favorite. Okay, the last thing that I purchased, okay? The last thing. I can't. Okay, are you guys ready? Are you ready? Look at it! Oh my goodness, it is so cute. It's a little Shaman plush in a little pot, and it is adorable. Oh my, and it's so soft. I will admit though, I was not expecting the plush to be this small. I was not expecting it to be this small. I thought it was definitely going to be bigger, but I love it. It is so tiny and so cute. Oh my goodness, yes, another Shaman to add to my collection. And here's the tag. The tag's like the same size as the plush. That's crazy. But here's the tag. I can't pretty much read any of that. I can read that. But oh my gosh, this is so cool, and like, I don't know, this was so much fun purchasing like Japanese exclusive merch from Japan. Like, these took a little bit to get here, but so I may do this soon again because there is a couple other things that I saw. There was actually a couple more Shaman things, not from this collection, a different collection, but there are a couple other things that I saw that I would really like, so we'll have to see about that. But that is pretty much it for my little Pokemon Center haul, I guess. But I'm going to get going now. I'm gonna get going. So please take care of yourself, drink water, eat food, get a good sleep. I will see you all next time. Oh, and like and subscribe if you would like to. And I'll see you later. Bye!